She goes to her car. She goes to her car. She opens the door. She opens the door. He always turns on the engine. He always turns on the engine. She always puts her seatbelt on. She always puts her seatbelt on. She always uses the GPS. She always uses the GPS. He often drives to work. He often drives to work. She usually listens to music. She usually listens to music. He always follows traffic directions. He always follows traffic directions. She always takes the children to school. She always takes the children to school. She drops off the kids. She drops off the kids. She takes the bus to school. She takes the bus to school. He always waits. He always waits. He pays a fare to the driver. He pays a fare to the driver. She looks out the window. She looks out the window. She goes to work. She goes to work. She talks with people. She talks with people. She says hi to people. She says hi to people. He always does his job. He always does his job. Sometimes he has lunch with his co-workers. Sometimes he has lunch with his co-workers. He makes the phone calls. He makes phone calls. He leaves for work. He leaves for work. He goes to the grocery store. He goes to the grocery store. He takes a shopping cart. He takes a shopping cart. She chooses groceries. She chooses groceries. He usually pays with a debit card. He usually pays with a debit card. He sometimes pays with a credit card. He sometimes pays with a credit card. He rarely pays with cash. He rarely pays with cash. She leaves the grocery store. She leaves the grocery store. She usually goes to the gym. She usually goes to the gym. She always does exercises. She always does exercises. He picks up his kids. He picks up his kids.